Hello everyone, welcome to Tars. Today I'm going to show you how you can build your own AI agent in just 2 minutes. Let's get started. First, I'm going to open a new window in my web browser and go to hellotars.com. Here, I'm going to log in or sign up if I don't already have an account. This will give me access to the Tars no-code AI agent and chatbot builder. We'll start by clicking this button, and as you can see, we have a whole library of AI agent templates to choose from, but for the sake of this video, I'm going to start from scratch. So just give your AI agent a name and click create. Now that we're inside, we're going to make our AI agent in 2 steps. The first step is, first of all, we click the add a gambit button, and just for good practice, we'll give it a new name, which is the welcome message, because this is the welcome message that your user will get when they come to your AI agent. So I'll keep it simple and just say hello. I'm going to make sure that this is changed to a no input gambit and click save. Now we'll click the add a gambit button again, and in this one we're going to change the setting here to either a Q&A prime gambit or an AI agent gambit if you want to involve tools like FireCrawl, DuckDuckGo, or image generation tools like Ideogram and Flux. So I'll just keep it Q&A, and before I do anything else, I'll go to the default messages section and remove everything. So my AI agent does all the talking by itself. Now go back to the settings and change the base prompt. This is basically where you tell your AI agent what to do, what not to do, what kind of personality it should have, and I'm just going to keep it really simple again. So I've given her a name and I've given her a personality. Easy peasy. Click save prompt and click save once again. Now the last step is that you just have to connect the 2 gambits to each other and loop the last gambit, the Q&A or AI agent gambit, back to itself. So the conversation keeps going. Now that this is done, I'm going to move on to the design section to change the look and feel of my AI agent. And as you can see, we have a whole lot of themes to choose from. So I'm just going to take this one here, go to the custom section and change the header name that comes up. Chloe. Save the changes and it's done. Now I just have to publish this AI agent by clicking this button and click here to view it live. And there you go. I can start interacting with my AI agent right away. And here's a little test. What's your name? And there you go. It's just that easy to make your AI agent using the Tars no-code AI agent builder platform. Happy automating!